welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes, and today I'm going to show y'all some of my pickups for the week. Let's go. During the weeks, man, I pick up so much stuff, I hardly put it in front of the video because I forget that I brought it. When you got things like Soul Links and J23 constantly tweeting steals and deals at you, you buy a whole bunch of stuff. So this video here, I just want to show y'all a whole bunch of stuff I brought this week alone. Let's start with the fitted hats. Hat Club restocked the Cyberpunks line they came out with, I want to say about 2 months ago. I missed it. They drops happen at 2 p.m. and usually I'm busy at 2 p.m. for some sort of reason. But they dropped a restock. They had this one. They had the Yankee one. I got way too many Yankee fitted hats, so I went with this one instead. And what I love about Hat Club is almost every hat comes with its own pin. So right here, this is a Cyberpunk pin. I'm quite sure they have many different ones, but this is the one that came with the hat I brought. Another fitted. Migos teamed up with New Era and came out with their own Atlanta version of the Atlanta Braves fitted. I actually caught this for a sale on New Era. I'm not sure if you still can find it. Sizes was scarce. I usually like to go with 8 because I have braids, but 7 and 7/8 ain't bad. This sale was on Sneaker Politics. Sneaker Politics on the low is a great website. Check them out. And you see the original price is $55. I think I got this for $30. So to me, it's a steal. Nice Atlanta Braves hat. Migos put their own touch on the back. And you get a World Series patch. Very dope. Another fitted hat. I got this from newera.com. This is actually a Mitchell & Ness hat though. But everyone is doing the upside down logo. So I guess Mitchell & Ness jumped in and decided to give us their own upside down look on the Spurs hat. This one, I think I paid about $32. Yep, $32 here. I don't know when I'm going to wear it, but I'm always in Miami. It has the Miami colorway, so I'll wear it eventually. My son KJ, he's becoming a dunk head like his dad. I got him the Chicago Bulls dunks. Yo, the material and the quality on this is not talked about enough. It looks like snakeskin, guys. Real talk. So yeah, I got him these. Where was these from? They were straight from Nike. Nike.com. Chicago colorway. PS. Now to Supreme. Supreme and North Face dropped, and I didn't like nothing. So I went with the sketch tee, guys. Royal blue. I mean, nothing to talk about really, man. I feel like North Face and Supreme dropped the ball for the first time for me. But I got something. Had to pick up the briefs in that army green colorway, man. I'm shocked these did not sell out yet. Usually the brief colors sell out. The pink went fast. Black and white stay around. I'm shocked that the army green is still around. Supreme Long Johns. I brought a pair of these maybe 2 years ago, but they restocked on the Supreme website and I was able to cop another pair. So I'm very happy, man. I tell you all the time, Supreme does this thing where they throw that box logo on regular things we already wear and just make them doper. So yeah, Supreme thermal pants, tagless. Off the Supreme wave now. Nike has a crazy sale right now. So listen to me. Pause this video. Yeah, like how I paused myself? Pause this video and go to Nike.com. All the NOCTA, Drake, OVO stuff is on sale. This here is the pants in a white colorway. Nice dope Nike logo there. Windbreaker material, I think. Nice logo there. Thick 3D abrades. I'm keeping it in a plastic because it's white. Sorry guys. But yeah, man, the retail price on this is $150. I paid $72. So go to Nike.com right now, type in NOCTA, N-O-C-T-A, and see what you could get for a steal from the NOCTA Golf Drake collab. This is a first for me, and I mean a first, or I guess you could say a second now. This is the BMW Puma sweatsuit in an orange colorway. I recently brought a BMW maybe 2 months ago, and to be honest, I kind of brought it because I felt like these sweatsuits were so dope, but I didn't want to wear it driving something else. But now that I own one, I'm going to go crazy with these BMW Puma sweatsuits. My second problem is I don't own any Pumas. So let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about rocking Nikes with a Puma sweatsuit. I don't do the Jordans with the Adidas, vice versa. But I mean, if someone don't wear Puma sneakers, what can you say, man? But either way, this is a medium in a hoodie. I'm 5'7", 170 pounds, so this fits me perfect. Hoodies always a medium for me. Sweats always a large for me. Orange colorway, man. You don't really see this one. So yeah, guys, just a quick video of my latest pickups this week alone. Hit the like button, hit subscribe. More videos coming soon. I just wanted to get those in front of the camera because some people really like those items, and I want to get to everybody and what everyone loves, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich.